What's up guys, and welcome back to another new awesome video. And in this video we're going to be talking to you guys about Shevar.net. Alright, so if you're looking for a business listing site in USA, you are into the right place. Okay, so Shevar.net is basically a business listing site, as you can see right here. I'm on Shevar.net, and basically what Shevar.net does, it connect businesses and customer together. All right, so as you can see, Shevar.net, the number one local business listing website and online directory. All right, so yeah, we basically put business owners and customer together. So we give you guys everything that you need to reach your potential customer. All right, and when you sign up for Shevar.net, you can basically write blog posts, article. You can list your events. You can upload photos of your business. You can basically do everything for your business on Shevar.net. And on top of that, Google, all the search engine, they love website like these because they love website like these. You guys gonna get more boots in search engine, more leads and more sales to your business. Yep, so like all that being said guys, let's get started. So if you're new to Shevar.net, of course you're gonna need a Shevar.net account to get started. And who is Shevar.net for? Basically, Shevar.net is for everybody that have a business. Okay, so if you have a business, um, you can list it on Shevar.net. It doesn't matter what kind of business you have, it doesn't matter what kind of service that you provide, you can list it on Shevar.net. So, basically, how it works, say for example, a customer, they come to the website and they just type basically what they're looking for. You know what I mean? So for example, they're looking for doctor. They can just type doctors and it will pull up some doctor and from the doctor's library of the website. Okay. And when it pull those doctor up, as you can see, it's gonna be a lot of users on here. So if I scroll down, actually, let me think because let me sign out and do it again. So you type doctor. So if I type doctors, as you can see, these are the doctors that it's gonna come up with. All right, and why are you seeing the Shevar.net? Because sometimes, people come and they sign up and they never fill out their um, profile like this doctor right here. So it leave the Shevar.net logo right there. All right, so sometimes they don't have a picture to upload yet. So they just basically leave the Shevar.net right there. And sometimes they don't get the chance to fill out their profile. So as you can see, this one, they fill their profile out. They have stuff written, excuse me, hopefully about their company and so on and so forth. And yeah, basically in a nutshell, this is Shevar.net. And so for example, if somebody come and click their profile and they read their information and they want to get in touch with them, they're gonna come over here to contact them, or they can just send them a message from here by clicking that button and they can write whatever information they want to write to that particular um, doctors or contractor or dog trainer or whatever your business is about or whatever you list your business about, once they submit that form, it will go to you. The leads will go to you. All right. And as you can see, this doctor, she filled out her profile. So Dr. Michelle Robbie. So if I click that, you can see that's how nice it look when you finish your profile listing on Shevar.net. So you get a image, you get, your doctor's information like your name and so on and so forth. And it also tell you where she located. All right. And this is geo targeted. This is geo-targeted, so when a customer looking for your business, it's going to be geo-targeted to your location. So it's going to be local customers that find your business, okay? And as you can see, these are their information. I think they need to up, as you can see, say City, Indiana from the United States. Okay, so it's correct. Yeah, and say Indiana up there. Yeah. So basically, as you can see, this is the information, and you can get way more details than this because Shevar.net make it so easy for you guys to, get all your information out there to your customer. All right, such as blog posts, event, and all that. We're gonna go through that shortly, but I'm just showing you guys how it will look once a customer searching for your business. And this directory basically it's perfect for everyone that actually looking for leads, more customer on the internet because Google love website like this and they're gonna favor your website in search. So if you're using Shevar.net, you're gonna get a lot of traffic to your website because you can link your website too as well. It looked like they did not fill out their profile with their website links and all that. But you can do that as well. So whenever a customer come to your profile, they see your website, they see your blog, or they see your social media, they see all that about your business will populate down here. And as you can see, they can share it to, so for example, they come here and they like, oh yeah, there's a doctor in, Indiana. Um, let's share this on my Facebook. They can click it right there, share it on their Facebook, their X, and their LinkedIn. Okay. So if I go back, I'm just gonna go back to Shevar.net. Yeah. So for example, let me do another search because we have a lot of lawyers too. So let me just search lawyers. I was gonna search something else, but let me just search lawyers as well. So as you can see, there's some lawyers on here. And if you click their profile, as you can see, yeah, basically they have just the basic information onto their profile, just like the other one. You can go as details as possible if you want your links and website, as I mentioned before. You can upload your links and website and social media stuff inside of the back end of your profile, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Okay. All right. So that's lawyer, and I'm gonna show you some blog posts and stuff like that. And so for example, somebody wanna save you as favorite, they can just click here. It's telling me to log in because I'm not a member yet. In order for me to use that features, excuse me, hopefully, in order for me to use that feature, I have to be a login customer. All right, so go back to Shevar.net. If I scroll down, as you can see, these are what Shevar.net for. So no matter what kind of business you have. You just list it on Shevar.net, and we're gonna go over pricing and so on and so forth in a little bit. All right. So as you can see, these are some feature member onto Shevar.net. All right, and these are like they basically paid to get here, but we'll talk about that in another video because this is included in their subscription. It's all about what you want in Shevar.net. Shevar.net basically will you know promote you on their own page depending on the kind of plan or membership that you have. Okay. As you can see, this one is in real estate. So if I click that, these are their information about their real estate and so on and so forth. And please keep in mind that you also can view the user, send a message, but you can view their profile and stuff like that. Okay. Um, yeah. So basically, in a nutshell, what this is trying to do, because it's trying to cut out the distraction, it's trying to get to you guys, like the customer, to just send them a message, or if they're interested in the product and services, so they can get the leads, so they can make more money from their business. Okay. And she's a real estate agent as well. As you can see, these are some featured blog posts. So no, these are classified, excuse me, hopefully, and classified is different from the blog post. But this look like a lawyer, and they don't have much to say in their description. I strongly suggest they filled out their description more, because they only have like 160 characters in there. They need to fill it out some more in order for them to drive a lot more traffic to their site, and also included links and stuff like that. I'm just going through some of these to see who fill. This one have a link in here. As you can see, they go to 160 characters too. They need to fill it out more. All right. Let's see this one. And they basically, I don't know if they like trying to make it short and stuff like that, but I strongly suggest them to put more information into their classify. This is the last one. And yeah, this is included in their subscription, so that's why they on the front page. And we also have newest job. So as you can see, these are people that hiring people, because these are job posts. And as you can see, the contact information, location, and so on and so forth. And that's just a little bit more information about their job and stuff. Let's check this one out too as well. Dignity Wellness. Yep, and they offering a full-time position, and that's their information. Insurance self-pay. Okay, cool. So that's some job listing. You can also go through and search for more. But this is how your business will populate on Shevar.net. As you can see, excuse me, hopefully, they also have the products. If you view the product, these are the product. Let's see, they have just some little text. I'm gonna show you how to do this in a little bit. Let's see this one, same, and let's see this one. Okay, so yeah, those are the product. They actually need a lot more words and stuff in their product and description, but it's all up to them. Whatever they post, that's their business, and whatever they post on there, that's how it's gonna stay. You know what I mean? So let's see some blog articles. So as you can see, these guys do way better because they have a longer article, as you can see right here. And if they want to get in touch with them, they can always get in contact with them. And if I'm a member, I can, save that for later on. Let's go back and see another one. Let's see this one. As you can see, this is some blog posts that basically the bloggers, they do a really better job than the other businesses. You know what I mean? But it's all up to you. You guys need to fill out as much as you can onto these listings, because these are how customers gonna see your website, okay? Or see your business onto Shevar.net, and they're gonna decide if they wanna book your services or not. So you are the one that in total control of everything to basically make sure your listing is professional list onto Shevar.net, okay? So you can get those business leads and sale to your business, okay? All right, in a nutshell, that's how Shevar.net works. So you have your business, you list it onto Shevar.net, and you get the customers. Okay, we will help you find your customer. We will help you promote your business on Shevar.net. Okay, all right. So let's go into the good stuff. All right. So if I click login member right here, and I'm gonna come down here, and I'm gonna log in. Excuse me, hopefully. So let me log in real quick. If I can remember my password. Let's see if I remember it. And perfect. No, don't want to save that right now. So yeah, perfect. So as you can see now, I'm in the back office of Shevar.net. And as you can see, telling me right here that my account is only 60% completed. All right. So this is what I was telling you guys about. I'm not too far because I only have like two stuff to finish, but it's basically tell you right here what and what you finish, so you basically can go through and just finish those other steps. So these are the step up here. These are the steps. So contact details, I already done that. Profile picture, photo, as you can see right here. I do not have a profile photo, so that's why this is like that orange color, because it's telling me that I need to upload a photo, and if I click it, I can upload a photo, or I can just upload my logo for my business. So you guys, if you have a logo for your business, upload it. Or if you have a photo that you want to upload, you upload it. So basically, most people that use these features, there are some of them as real estate agent, and I show you that on their own page. Some of them upload image, and some of them will upload their logo. Okay. And then the services. So these are the service area, excuse me, hopefully. So you have to make sure that you had your country, state on here. You can add city and the postal code. And what this does, it's basically locking your location. So anytime a customer search in that location for your business, it will populate first on Shevar.net. All right, so go through these steps, fill out your profile. You are listed in zero location because you have to fill this out to be listed in inside of the location. All right, so those are the two steps that I need to complete it. I'm going to complete that later on. This video is just to show you guys. Excuse me, hopefully this video is to show you guys around Shevar.net and how you can list your business onto Shevar.net. All right, All right, so how Shevar.net work? So when you log in, this is basically, if I click here, go back to the dashboard. In a nutshell, excuse me, hopefully, go back to the dashboard. So basically, this is the dashboard, and these are everything that you can do on Shevar.net. Okay, so you can do blog article, you can do audio file, and you can do classified, you can do coupons, you can do events, and you can do job posting. And I show you some job posting onto the home page. You can also list product for sale onto Shevar.net, excuse me, hopefully. And if you're a real estate agent, you can, list your property, and you can even add your videos on there. All right. So these are everything that you can do on Shevar.net. And these are awesome because every blog post you make, you getting more and more visitors to your profile. That's equal to more clicks to your website, equal to more sales, more leads for your business. Okay. All right. So as you can see right here, I'm an active member and I'm a gold member. Okay. All right. So, all right. All these that you can do on Shevar.net, it all depends on what you wanted to do. You can just click it and start to do it immediately. Okay. And as you can see, it will always be over here as well and show you how much article you have, how much audio you have, classified, coupons, event, job listing, and photos and product, property, or whatever you have listed. It will tell you right here. All right. So for example, I need a blog post. I can click that and then I can say new blog article. Okay. And then once that comes up, you can, as you can see, you can upload an image as well. But once it's come up, so for this video, I basically create a Microsoft Word information so I can, go through this video real quick to show you guys how easy it is to basically write an article for your business. Okay. All right. So the first thing you're gonna need to do whenever you come to this option that you need to write a blog post, click over here that say yes, publish post. This allow you to publish your article. Okay, so if you have it on no, it's gonna, when you click the publish button, it's not gonna publish because you do not want to publish it because you have it on no. So the first thing you need to do is click yes. All right. So whenever you finish write the article, it's gonna publish that article Shevar.net, so the search engine can pick it up and rank you in search and so on and so forth. All right. So when you're using Shevar.net, no website needed. So you don't have to have a website because we give you all the tools to operate your business. Okay. All right. But if you have a website, no problem. That is fine as well. So as you can see right there, it's a article title. So what I'm gonna do is use my Microsoft Word information for this one because I actually, created this Microsoft Word article before I created this video. All right, so the title is gonna be how to make a website from scratch for free. All right, and I'm gonna minimize that and I'm gonna paste this right here because this is a title. Okay. All right, so that's done. Second thing is the category. All right, so who this article is for? Business owner, right? And these are all the categories that you can list your articles in. All right, so I'm gonna click business because it's a business owner. As you can see, the time and date, you can schedule it for what time and date you want to. All right, so next thing is smart tag. All right, you can enter the smart tag for the post I'm gonna enter the same thing right here. So to make a website from scratch for free using website builder. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave that as a smart tag. Excuse me, hopefully. Yeah, and I'm just gonna leave that as it is for this video. But you should come up with good tags for your post, okay? Alright, so next excuse me, hopefully. Next thing I'm gonna do is copy this article. And once I copy this article, excuse me, hopefully, I'm gonna come back to Shevar.net and I'm gonna paste this article in. And as you can see what it said, it say the pasted content is coming from a Microsoft Word document. Do you want to keep the format or clean it up? I always click clean it up. Excuse me, hopefully. And as you can see, it put it in to Shevar.net. So it looked really, really nice. As you can see, it's really, really good. Very nice the way they put it in the article. All right, how they rephrase it and everything into Shevar.net. All right. What I'm doing, I'm scrolling to see if I need to tweak anything. So far, it look really good. Yep, so far it look really good, and it also keep track of your word count. All right. So word count is 366, and for the characters you have 2,218 characters into that article. Okay. All right. So next up is your SEO information, and this is how Google gonna basically rank your website. All right. So what the content is about? It's about content is about how to make a website from scratch for free. Okay. So you have to come up with the meta description, the meta title, meta description, and the meta keyword. And basically, these are just the title, the description for your post, and the keyword that you're trying to rank your article for. All right, and I also have that right here. So as you can see, the meta description, the meta title, excuse me, hopefully, I'm just gonna come back here and I'm gonna paste it in. And for the meta description, I'm gonna copy that, paste that in. You guys should come up with nice meta title, description, and so on and so forth. Okay, because this is all Google and all the other search engine gonna know what your site's about and rank it for that particular keyword. All right, and those are the keywords. All right, that I wanted to rank for. How to make a website from scratch. And as you can see, I put a comma right there so it separates them. Build website free. Build a website free. And then free website builder and so on and so forth. Okay. And as you can see, the content is done. I basically finish a content in less than 10 minutes. Okay. And as I tell you before, always check to make sure it's unpublished yes. You can upload the image if you want to, but I'm not going to upload the image. And that image will go inside of the content when you publish it, okay? Then I'm just going to click save changes. And your content is live. And as you can see right here, it come up now with a view post button on the right hand side right there. So what you're gonna do is click that view post button, and now this is your content. As you can see, beautiful, and it's well written. It's a well written content. As you can see, the keyword right there that I'm going for, how to make a website from scratch for free. And this is the body of the content. And also, say publish and promote. Once you're happy, it basically everything inside of the content that I need. As you can see, these are the keyword that I put for the tag inside of the let me come back up right there. See, that's a keyword right there that I put back right there. All right. Perfect. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this right there. I'm gonna remove that. And I'm just gonna click. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove that for right now for this purpose of this video because I don't want that to be inside of the content, and I'm gonna save it again. And if I go back out here and refresh it, as you can see, it's gone. Excuse me, Opoli. And depending on the plan that you have with Shevar.net, it will also allow you to include links and so on and so forth inside of your article. So when somebody reading your article, they can click the links and they can go to that whatever you direct them to, such as your website, social media, wherever you direct them to. Okay. Yeah, so that's Shevar.net basically. And as you can see, I just published this article. So you do not need a website because you can do everything inside of Shevar.net. You can list your business. You can basically write article. You can even give coupons. You can create a coupon. As you can see, if I click add new coupon, you have to have it unpublished. You give your coupon a title, the category, the coupon for, promotion code. You can create your promotion code right here. The end date, whenever the coupon is gonna end, you can select that date, and you can add external link. So basically, where they should use the coupon, okay? And then whenever it come up on Shevar.net, it's gonna have all those information, including your company name. Optional, if you want to, you can have it. Yeah, and basically, you can write your location in smart tag. You can put the same thing, and you can write a description for that coupon. Like, you can explain how they should use the coupon, what's the coupon for, and so on and so forth right here, and just click save. So basically, you have everything. You have classified ads. You can create your classified. You have a lot of classified there. You can have your events and so on and so forth. You know what I mean? You can do product. You can list your product in there, and yeah, so on and so forth. It's just basically a lot that you can do with Shevar.net. Also, as you can see, it count because I did have 10. Now I have 11 articles right there. And as you can see, list all of them right there. Okay. And basically, I'm just gonna wrap this video up. So in a nutshell, that is Shevar.net. It's a easy business directory website. You know what I mean? And yeah, customer can search for your article, and they can search for basically everything that you put here on your business for your business. Okay. They can do a lot of different views and stuff. But I rather to have it on the list views. The list view, excuse me, hopefully. And yeah, you can search, they can search, find your article through Google. They can, find it through Shevar.net. And we're gonna help you to promote basically your article and so on and so forth. So for example, they can even search, say, I don't know, category and put it in, and they can search for a category. Um, you know what? Let me just hit search and just see if it's gonna pull up anything regarding website. Yeah, see how to make a website from scratch. This is the article that I just published. So as you can see, if they search, it comes up. If they search website, it comes up. How to build your website in minutes with Quad Builder. I can see there are a lot of people on here that creating articles. You can see this is really a nice article, you know. And if I go back, yeah. So in a nutshell, that basically how you list your business on Shevar.net and create blog posts and stuff like that. That's basically how you do it. You can join Shevar.net. Let me go back over here. So for example, you want to start with Shevar.net. You can join. I get started. No, that's an about us page because I sign in too, so it's showing me different stuff. But um, can get started. And you can sign up right here and it will tell you the price. You can start for $2. You can start for $2 to start listing your business, writing blog posts and so on and so forth, and to Shevar.net. Or let me go back here and show you the the pricing difference and the pricing plan and what plan would be better for your business. Okay, but every business can start at $2 just to get their feet through the door. All right, so like I log out right now. So I log out. So if I click get listed, when I log in, get listed is not there anymore because obviously I'm a member, so they remove that. And these are all the prices that you can choose from. So they have a premium business plan, and these are all the stuff that you can do in the premium business plan. See, best value and result. Okay, so you get find in search result. You can list 10 in 10 categories. You can link your website. You can add your phone number, receive reviews. You can list unlimited properties, classified posts, written unlimited blog posts that we just did a while ago. Okay, and just go through the plan and see which one is best for you. As you can see, there's some other plan down here. But as I was mentioned, you can start from the basic if you want, and you can click create listing. And yeah, it's basically $2. $2 to get started, guys. Come on, you cannot lose um, for $2. To get your website, to get your business onto a directory that actually gonna help you to drive leads and sales to your business. Okay, it's basically $2 for the basic business plan for Shevar.net, and that's all you can. This is what you can do once you get here. You get listed in seconds, get find in search result, and you can list in one category, and you can upgrade from there, guys. Excuse me, hopefully. you guys can upgrade from there, but that's where you started at. Okay, so like all that being said, guys, if you like this video, because I'm gonna wrap this video up, if you like this video, please like this video and share this video to a business owner that you think this video can help, because the more we want to try to help as much people as we can, let's just say that. Okay, and if you list your business, you can basically, you know, share this website to other businesses so they can list their business too. You know what I mean? And yeah, basically, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. You can also comment, let me know what other video you want me to make about Shevar.net, and I can definitely make that video for you. Okay, guys? So I will see you guys in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.